Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox a 1x18 scale model of Dodge Challenger. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Here's the product. Diecast Simulation Sound and Light Pullback Series. 6 plus years. Guys, just look at it. It comes in such an amazing package. So let's unbox this right now. Guys, we have opened the box. Just look at the beautiful red color SRT Dodge Challenger D98XN. It even comes with a cool sunroof. Now let's unscrew the base bottom. Let's remove the 3 plastic coverings. 1, 2, 3. Finally, we have unboxed this 1x18 scale model of Dodge Challenger SRT Dream D98XN. So let's check on this. Guys, it even comes with rotatable front tires. Wow. And it also has a petrol tank here. Now let's try to open the front doors. Wow, it is fully openable and well detailed. Now let's open the other front door. Guys, just look at the well detailed interior. Wow, it's amazing. To be honest, this is a well detailed and beautiful 1x18 scale model of Dodge Challenger SRT. It also has an openable tailgate. Wow, we have got a rubber sucker inside. Now let's open the hood of the car using this. Wow guys, just look at that beautifully detailed engine inside the hood. If you like my video, please click on the like button. Now let's turn on the light of this car and share my video to your all friends. Now just look, the headlight is so powerful. Even the tail lights are working. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please tell me in the comment box. Subscribe my channel for more new amazing videos and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications of my videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. So till our next video, bye.